So beta, basically we are starting with one practice session on section formula and equation of line. Okay. So this is one small practice paper, some 24 questions we are going to discuss tonight on section formula and equation of line. So please, let's get started. But I have already sent across documents for questions as well as solutions to it. Okay. I would advise you to solve all the questions along with me, and any question you don't understand, just keep on asking. We are there to help you out. Okay? Chalo. So in the question number 1, we have to find the ratio in which P and Q is divided. We have to find the ratio in which P and Q is divided by y-axis. But at the moment they say y-axis, क्या दिमाग में आना चाहिए? 0, y. X coordinate का value will be 0. Okay? Whenever a point lies on y-axis, मैंने क्या बोला था? Always 0, y दिमाग में आना चाहिए. क्या आना चाहिए दिमाग में? 0, y. ठीक है बेटा? So हम लोगों ने 0, y लेके we found first ratio, and using that we found the coordinates of y. Fine. Any question, please ask. I'm moving to question number 2. उन्होंने बोला midpoint of line segment joining. Midpoint of line segment joining 2a, 4 and minus 2, 2b is 1, 2a plus 1. Okay, so let us name it A, B and P. So P x, the midpoint का formula x1 plus x2 by 2. P of y is y1 plus y2 by 2. Therefore 1 is equals to 2a minus 2 upon 2. Okay, P of y क्या बेटा 2a plus 1 है, which is 4 plus 2b upon 2. Let us substitute the value of a equals to 2 here. So you get 2 into 2 plus 1 is equals to 4 plus 2b upon 2. Y is equals to 4 plus 2b upon 2. 10 is equals to 4 plus 2b. 6 is equals to 2b. B is equals to. Okay. So answer, final answer लिखो, A is 2 and B is 3. But everyone getting it? Very easy sums to we are starting with. Okay. Now it's a good question. It's a board question. Okay. Let us discuss. Beta, when already equation of line is given, beta मुझे बताइए, when already equation of line is given, can anyone tell me how to find the slope? क्या याद आना चाहिए when equation of line is given?
Y is equal to mx plus c.
Yes, beta, superb. So we'll convert the given equation in the format of y equals to mx plus c. ठीक है? हम लोग इक्वेशन को y equals to mx plus c फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. ठीक है? बट एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं इसका पीडीएफ बना के आपको भेज दूंगा. दो मैंने सॉल्यूशन भेजा है, बट देन ऑल्सो ये जो मैंने सॉल्व किया उसका पीडीएफ भी मैं बना के आपको भेज दूंगा. चलो, होप सो यू आर कंफर्टेबल. लेट्स मूव टू द थर्ड सम. Third question. Find the value of p for with the line pi x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. And second line क्या दिया बेटा आपको? 6x minus py plus 7 equal to 0. They are perpendicular to each other. Okay, let us see. So पहले हम लोग उसको y equals to mx plus c फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे. पहले 3y लिखा, That means 3y is 5x plus 2. Divide by 3 करो. So comparing with y equals to mx plus c, so m1 कितना है बेटा? 5 by 3. तो m2 कितना है बेटा? 6 by 3. फिर मैं बोलूंगा since lines are perpendicular, since lines are perpendicular to each other, we all know m1 into m2 is minus 1. 5 by 3 into 6 by p is minus 1. p is minus 10. ठीक है बेटा? ये फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सम मिला आपने को. चलो तो क्या बोला बेटा? Hence find the equation of line passing through this and parallel to this. Okay. Then the slope of this line is what? 6 by p beta. Since required line, guys, मेरा required line कहाँ से? It's parallel. Therefore, slope has to be same. My required slope is minus 3 by 5. Slope remains same, beta. Will you agree with me? And it is passing through क्या beta? The line is passing through minus 2 minus 1. Therefore, equation of line क्या होगा beta? What is the formula? बेटा एक चीज याद रखो, जब भी आपको बोले to find the equation of line, formula अपना यही रहेगा. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So always keep on asking yourself. Yeah, try to find कि what is my slope. Okay, मेरे को slope मिल गया इधर से. ये hint दिया था parallel to the line. ठीक है? Okay. And what is your x1 y1? What is my x1 y1? x1 y1 मतलब point through which the line is passing. What does x1 y1 represent? बोलो बेटा. Point through which line is passing. ठीक है बेटा? So y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x.
Sir, when we do formula substitution, do we have to show that y minus or minus 1 and x minus or minus 2? We can directly write
No,
y
madam, please
plus.
show the substitution. We have seen in couple of schools they have deducted marks for all the steps. ठीक है? मतलब the steps are important. Just substitute बेटा.
Okay.
Sir,
बेटा स्टार मार्क करके रखो ये सब को. Nice sum.
sir,
Yes बेटा, who is asking?
sir,
Jay, बोल बेटा.
हाँ सर, द m1 5/3 कैसे है? 5x plus 2 5x/3 plus 2/3 तो 5/3 कैसा आया उसका?
ये कैसा है?
हाँ
ये 3 था वो डिवाइड हो गया ना बेटा, जैसे इधर भी p था वो p से डिवाइड हुआ एंड इट गॉट डिवाइडेड, ईच टर्म से डिवाइड होता है बेटा।
Sir,
बोलो बेटा।
sir, in the equation of line, the x should be positive, right? Always.
सॉरी कम अगेन।
In the equation of the line, the x should be positive. The final answer.
m should be positive.
X.
No, not necessary, but I always prefer to write in that format.
Okay, sir. Yes.
चलो नेक्स्ट सम पे जाते हैं। बेटा पैरेलल में स्लोप सेम रहेगा, याद रहेगा ना बेटा आपको, इन पैरेलल द स्लोप रिमेन सेम। फोर्थ वन, okay. Find the equation of line which is inclined to x-axis at an angle of 60. मतलब indirectly बोला अपने को theta is 60 degrees. बेटा and y-intercept is 2 बेटा. See there are multiple ways to do this, but generally whenever they mention y-intercept, okay, for me the coordinates become x is 0 and y is 2. ठीक है बेटा? So y-intercept is 2. Now we all know, but from the first data point I can say what is m, tan of theta, tan of 60 degree, which is root 3. Okay, and then now the equation of line, y minus y1 m into x minus x, y minus y1 m x minus 0. I always prefer to write पहले x फिर y फिर constant equal to 0. Okay?
Sir, can we here use y is equal to mx plus c?
Yes, that's why I told you there are multiple ways to write it. I just want standard format, that's why. You can use y equals to mx plus c also.
Okay.
Or method I'm just showing to you. This is faster method, but don't confuse yourself. Whenever y-intercept is given, c stands for y-intercept. That's why m is root 3 and y-intercept was 2. So directly you got answer. It's a more faster way. Okay, if you are not getting confused, you can use directly this. I'm fine with it. Okay.
सर x1 0 का
बेटा y intercept ना बेटा, देखो अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ x intercept एंड y intercept। बेटा देखो अगर कोई भी लाइन है बेटा वो x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस को कट करेगी बेटा, so the distance from this origin to this particular point on x axis is called as x intercept. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं x intercept। एंड ये वाले पॉइंट को क्या बोलेंगे, गेस करो बेटा, y intercept बोलेंगे। ठीक है, इसको बोलेंगे y intercept। ठीक है, since it's lying on y axis so x is 0 and x intercept में y will be 0. Fine. चलो fifth question, find the equation of line passing through the points, passing through मतलब x1 y1 बोला है, and having x intercept of 4 units. बेटा come on, when they say x intercept क्या होगा, 4,0 can I say? Now when 2 points are given, what is slope? Come on, what is the formula? When 2 points are given, what is the slope का formula बेटा? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. बराबर दिख रहा? And now what is the equation of line? Come on, tell me, my child. बेटा स्टार मार्क करके रखो. Though it's a board question, but very important. Find the equation of line perpendicular to BC and passing through A. Passing through A and perpendicular to BC. मतलब मुझे AP का इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ढूंढना है. ओके. B क्या दिया बेटा आपको? -1, 2 and C क्या दिया है? 6, -6. Remember AP is perpendicular to BC. First slope of BC बेटा क्या होगा? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 -6 -2 upon 6 minus of -1. ठीक है. Slope of BC is -8/7. बेटा we all know AP perpendicular to BC तो क्या होगा? क्या दिमाग में आना चाहिए? बेटा when they say AP perpendicular to BC क्या दिमाग में आना चाहिए? Come on guys.
Slope is -1.
is equal to -1.
Like it's the multiplication of the slope is -1.
Okay. Now last, find the equation of line through A and perpendicular to AP. So to find equation of line AP, आपके पास M रेडी है? हाँ रेडी है. 7/8. बेटा x1 y1 रेडी है? हाँ रेडी है ना. It is passing through A. The moment they say passing through A, passing through A, मतलब that becomes your x1 y1 बेटा. हाँ. I put emphasis on through बेटा. Please समझो. हाँ. Equation of line is y equals
Sir, can you explain it again?
which one beta?
The six
So
sum
here
and
beta they have said find the equation of line through A and perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular to BC बोला है. Okay? तो मैंने पहले BC का slope ढूंढा. I found slope of BC. फिर मैंने उसका perpendicular बोला था. इसीलिए मैंने M1 into M2 -1 करके I found slope of AP. ठीक है? When two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is -1. So I found slope of AP as 7/8. Now to find equation of line, always keep on asking yourself two questions. One, what is my slope? Okay, I got my slope is 7/8, and from what point it is passing through? My line is passing through 3,8.
Yes,
Hence,
sir.
I got equation of.
Okay.
Sir, which question is this?
हाँ हम्म चलो let us move next. Seventh one. Line through A and B perpendicular to ठीक है बेटा बेटा पहले स्लोप ऑफ ए बी ढूंढो y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1.
Sir, which question is this?
Seventh question बेटा
Sir, which book?
but I sent across a PDF to you. Check it out. बेटा जब भी इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन किया तो कौन से फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे बेटा y equals to mx plus c. Okay. Now they say since the lines are perpendicular. Okay. Since line AB is perpendicular to given line. तो क्या होगा बेटा product of slope is -1 b minus 3 upon 6 into 1 by 2 is equals to -1. Find the equation of line that is y-intercept 3 units. Okay, so one point is 0, 3. Y-intercept x is 0. And perpendicular to the line, perpendicular line joining. Okay. Let us assume the 2 points to be 2, minus 3 and 4, 2. Okay. Find the equation of line that is whose y-intercept is 3 and it is perpendicular to this. Okay. So पहले slope of AB ढूंढे 2 minus of -3, 4 minus 2, 5 upon 2. Understand the question बेटा क्या question है? Okay. Suppose मेरा AB ये है, AB ये दोनों point है. I need to find the equation of line. I need to find the equation of line whose y-intercept is 0, 3 and it is perpendicular to the given line. Okay. It is perpendicular to AB. ठीक है बेटा? We found slope of AB. From slope of AB, can I find slope of the required line? ठीक है बेटा? Slope of CP into slope of AB is -1. Slope of CP into 5 by 2 is equals to -1. Slope of CP is -2 by 6. Okay. Now the equation of line is but I like to explain this sum one more time. Pay attention, my child. Take beta. Just assume कर तेरा जो लाइन है तेरा जो लाइन है वो तेरे वाई एक्सिस को, ठीक है, वाई इंटरसेप्ट 3 है, तो मतलब वो कहाँ मीट कर रहा होगा बेटा, 0,3 पे मीट कर रहा होगा। योर लाइन इज मीटिंग वाई एक्सिस एट 3 बेटा, तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो जाएगा 0,3, वाई इंटरसेप्ट 3 है इससे 0,3। ओके, योर लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB, उन्होंने वो बोला है फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन व्हिच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB। द मोमेंट दे सेड ओके परपेंडिकुलर टू AB, मेरे दिमाग में आ गया ठीक है, मैं AB का स्लोप फाइंड करूंगा, फिर मुझे मालूम है परपेंडिकुलर है, इससे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप विल बी -1, तो मेरा रिक्वायर्ड लाइन का स्लोप मिल जाएगा, रिक्वायर्ड लाइन का स्लोप मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। एंड आई नो माय लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू 0,3 बिकॉज़ y इंटरसेप्ट 3 बोल दिया है उन्होंने, ठीक है। आई फाउंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, बस हो गया, y minus y1 m into x minus x। Guys, anyone wants to ask any question based on eighth one, please let me know.
No, sir. Sir,
बेटा कीवर्ड्स को प्लीज कैच द कीवर्ड्स, y इंटरसेप्ट बोला है 0,3, ओके, एक एक छोटा छोटा चीज याद रखो, x इंटरसेप्ट बोला है ओके x, 0, ठीक है, और उन्होंने बोला परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस 2 पॉइंट्स, तो नाम दे दो a and b, small small thing but matters, okay, small thing but it matters a lot, okay, catch the keywords, perpendicular to AB, perpendicular to AB, ठीक है, तो मैं AB का स्लोप ढूंढ लेता हूँ, ओके, मेरा लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू AB है, तो मेरा लाइन का स्लोप क्या होगा, m1 into m2 -1 से मेरे को मिल जाएगा, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप इज नेगेटिव, हाँ, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप इज -1, ठीक है, स्मॉल थिंग मैटर्स। बोलो बेटा, कुछ पूछना था?
sir, Ardhan is writing something about something in the chat, sir.
ठीक है,
It's not
ठीक है,
appropriate.
ठीक है, ओके। चलो, and I request you to not share the ID, meeting ID with any one of your friends, huh? It is for you all, बेटा, ठीक है? This lectures are meant for you all. अगर आपको share करना है तो करो, I don't mind. But then many of them just enter the meeting to create ruckus, ठीक है? Which I don't want. I don't mind anyone entering and going through our lecture, but creating nuisance I will not tolerate. So please don't share without my permission. Okay? Chalo. Let us continue. Ninth one. Very easy. चलो चलो try करो. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through 0,4. So my x1 y1 is 0,4. Okay. And parallel to this line. मुझे parallel बेटा आपके दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए whenever they say the word parallel? Whenever they use the word parallel, मतलब slope has to be same. Since required line is parallel to given line, Find the equation of line passing through this and perpendicular to this. Okay. But same sum, almost same type, but here in this case it was parallel, here in this case it's perpendicular. Chalo.
So,
Yes, beta.
sir, can we do the ninth sum using y equals to mx plus c?
Yeah, y-intercept है, कर सकता था. But that's why I told you, beta. See, use common methodology, standard methodology. It will become much easier. You
Okay.
can. अभी जैसे in this case it became perpendicular, ठीक है? तो अभी देखो, my m1 is 1/3. Since required 9, is perpendicular to, if I know m into m1 is minus 1. Again, here you can use, find the equation of line which is what y-intercept as 4/3. Fine. And perpendicular to this line. I would appreciate it एक बार try करो बेटा खुद, before you look at the board, give a try to solve on your own. Please give a try to solve this sum on your own. बोलो बेटा. Please go through sum number 9, 10, 11. Almost on the same line. All three sums were on the same line. But wherever y-intercept comes, you can use y equals to mx plus c also. I am in for that method also. Chalo. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Copy and move to next sum, beta. Give a try for next sum. Beta, guys, don't join for sake of joining. Only if you're interested, then only join. Okay? Don't show your parents that you joined the meeting. Okay, I can see many of them leaving in between. Okay? Don't do such naughty with me at least. Fine? Interested? Let's do it, beta. I'll also spare extra time and we'll solve together. Fine. Anyways, chalo, let us move to the next sum, 12th one. Twelfth one. A line passing through A and B is perpendicular to 4x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. In this case, कैसे slope ढूंढने बेटा? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 2a upon minus 2 minus a. Okay. This is my m1. m2 कैसे ढूंढूं बेटा? y equals to mx plus c फॉर्मेट में लिख दो. y since AB perpendicular to line,
Do we have to mention y is equal to mx plus c?
writing the standard format, no, it's okay. But whenever you're comparing here, you just mention comparing with y equals to mx plus c. Okay? Do mention. चलो नोट डाउन करो. I'll need the entire board for the next question, so I'll erase it. ठीक है बेटा? एक बार go through करो. चलो. A, B, C are the vertices of triangle ABC. M is a point on AB. Okay. M is a point on AB. Which divides in the ratio 1:2. A is 2,5, B is -1,2. Find the coordinates of M. ठीक है. चलो सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करो बेटा. Find the coordinates of M. Find the equation of line passing through C and M. Okay. So now 2 points are with me. C 5,8 and M, which is 1,4. Okay. So chalo, let us first find the slope of the line. Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. Equation of line is, बेटा we can take anyone as X1 Y1. हाँ, आपको जिसको यूज करना है तो कर सकते हो आप.
Sir, in this sum, they have said find the equation of line passing through the points C and M. So which one do we take, X1 and Y1?
Anything, बेटा. Anything. In both the cases, you get same answer.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let us move to the 14th one. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square where B and D are given 1, 3 and D is 3, 2. Okay. The coordinates of point of intersection of AC and BD. Okay. But we all know diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Okay. So O is a midpoint of BD. O is a midpoint of BD. O is a midpoint of BD, beta. X1 plus X2 by 2. Beta, kindly mute yourself. Point of intersection is 2, 5 by 2. Find the equation of diagonal AC. Superb, beta. Beta, tell me, what is slope of BD? Slope of BD. कितना होगा बेटा बोलो? Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X. So 3 minus 2 upon 1 minus 3. 1 upon minus 2. Beta, AC is perpendicular to BD. Slope of AC into slope of BD is minus 1. Slope of AC into slope of BD is minus 1. Slope of AC is 2. Okay, beta? Understood इतना था? ठीक है? to find equation of AC बेटा equation of AC ढूंढने के लिए slope तो मेरा ready है 2. What is my x1 y1? Can anyone tell me? For
So,
AC,
sir, every time you change the when it's you have to always show the equals to -1 whenever you're showing, like you're
yeah,
changing.
but in exam they're going to ask only one sum, na? I would prefer it showing it. Okay.
Okay.
But for AC, what is my x1 y1? My AC is passing through which point?
Point
To
number
which
3.
point? Point O, can I say? 2, 5/2. So my equation of line is y minus y1 m into x minus x. टू से मल्टीप्लाई करो बेटा. Open the bracket. बेटा एट द एंड ऑफ द लेक्चर में इसका पीडीएफ बना के आपको भेज दूंगा.
Sir, can you explain this sum again?
Why not बेटा? See, बेटा स्क्वायर में डायगोनल्स आर, टेल मी बेटा. स्क्वायर्स में डायगोनल्स आर डैश विद ईच अदर. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर टू ईच अदर. ठीक है बेटा? So AC and BD intersect at O. So O is the midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of AC as well. ठीक है? So मैंने पहले midpoint formula से BD का midpoint find किया. ठीक है? That is intersecting point. So O is the midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of BD बेटा. तो I found O is the midpoint of BD. तो मैंने O के coordinates ढूंढे. ठीक है? फिर मैंने BD का slope ढूंढा because I need to find slope of AC. One thing I know that AC is perpendicular to BD. So to find slope of AC, I will need slope of BD. तो मेरे पास B और D के coordinates है. From that I found slope of BD. Okay. Then I know AC was perpendicular to BD. Slope of AC into slope of BD is -1. I found slope of AC. And lastly, to find equation of line. बेटा मेरा AC कहाँ से पास हो रहा है? बेटा मेरा AC कहाँ से पास हो रहा है? It is passing through O. So O becomes my x1 y1 and M is 2 from here.
Okay.
If a line joining A and
Sir.
B.
So somebody is sharing the screen and
I
we
am
cannot.
sharing the screen. So your screen is freeze because of that.
Okay. ठीक है. चल. If a line joining A and B is divided by point B such that AP upon AB is 2/5. Okay बेटा. But understand one thing. We are interested in AP to PB and not AP by AB. So assuming let a common multiple be x, so AP is 2x, AB is 5x. So from here on, I can make PB as 3x. PB as 3x. Okay, beta. Therefore, I can get AP to PB as 2x by 3x, which is 2 by 3. I can get AP to PB by 2 by 3. Okay, beta. Now I need to find P. Very easy. 2x.
Sir, is it important for us to show all the working which you just did previously?
No, not really. Huh? You can skip 1 or 2 steps.
Okay. But it is important for us to write
Yeah.
that
Show it
AP
common
upon
multiple
PB
be
is-
x. At least show this part.
Okay.
Not diagrams is necessary always. But I prefer it because see then in the end while doing the calculation becomes easier. It becomes easier for me, so obviously the mistakes can be avoided.
Okay, sir.
चलो बेटा 16 को स्टार मार्क करके रखो. वेरी नाइस सम बेटा. 16 sum is really indeed a very nice sum. Very nice sum. Give a try if you can, beta. I would really appreciate if you solve. It is given in my miscellaneous exercise of my notes. ठीक है? Determine the ratio in which 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Divide the line joining A and B. Okay. Let us assume the ratio to be m is 12 and the intersecting point be P. So what is P of x beta bolo? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Similarly, P of y क्या होगा बेटा बोलो? my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, but P lies on the line 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 beta. Therefore, this point and this point will satisfy the equation. ठीक है? So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? P के जो coordinates है वो substitute करते हैं इधर.
Sir, can you explain the sum again?
Yes, beta. See, they have said in what ratio this line, it's a line, proper line, 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 divides a and b. Okay. So first I assume कि ये जो line है, this line, it intersects AB at point P. ठीक है. So I first found the point of intersection. Okay. of point P using the generally section formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. ठीक है बेटा? So I found the coordinates of point P using section formula. I got this and this in terms of m and n. But always remember, and if you will agree with me, that when a point lies on the line, this point P is lying on this line, it should satisfy the equation. मतलब क्या होता है कि x and y जो भी पॉइंट कोई भी पॉइंट हो अगर वो लाइन पे लाई करता है it will satisfy the equation. My point P is lying on this line should satisfy the equation. तो जो P के x कोऑर्डिनेट्स है इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट किए, P के जो y कोऑर्डिनेट्स है उधर y की जगह पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किए, and I try to solve the equation. From that I found the ratio of m:n.
So,
बोल बेटा.
sir, I first found the equation of the 2 points, then I solved the 2 equations simultaneously, and then I found the point P, and then I found its ratio. Is it okay?
You got the same answer that?
Yeah.
Okay, then also just share your working. I would like to see.
Okay.
Very nice, sir. Sure. So we have completed 2/3 of the sums. Sure. Last couple of sums. (17) star market. APB meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Okay. Meet x-axis at A, y-axis at B, and P is a point 4, -2. AP to PB is in the ratio 1:2. बेटा x-axis मतलब x, 0, y-axis मतलब 0, y. रेशियो क्या है बेटा AP to PB 1:2. चलो सेक्शन फॉर्मूला mx2 nx1 upon m plus n. बेटा 18 also very nice sum, very important. Parallelogram बेटा सेम पैरेललोग्राम का सम आए तो दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए? डायगोनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. डायगोनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, भूलना मत. चलो 17 and 18. Both are very nice sum and very important sum. You might observe in one of the prelim exam to be asked.
Sir, can you explain this again?
बोलो.
Can you
In
explain
this
this
one,
again?
but in the 18th one, very easy. But remember the property of parallelogram that diagonal bisect each other. Bisect का मतलब क्या होता है? OA और OC equal, OB और OD equal. So midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD is same. Midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD is same. तो midpoint of AC क्या होगा बोल बेटा? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. इसका क्या होगा? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. And then equate it.
Okay, so thank
Okay?
you.
चलो. Nineteen. चलो. 19 one. Very nice sum. इसको AB नाम दे दूं. इसको मैं CD नाम दे दूं बेटा. So for AB, my equation of line is y equals to x plus 1. So M1 is 1. Tan of theta 1 is 1. But tan of what angle is 1? Tan of 45. So theta 1 is 45 degrees. Similarly for CD, y equals to root 3x minus 1. So comparing y2 is root 3. So tan of theta 2 is root 3. Tan of theta 2 is tan of 60. Theta 2 is 60 degrees. Okay बेटा. अभी ये ट्रायंगल देखो बेटा. ये 45 डिग्री है. ये थीटा है और ये 60 है. We all know exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angle. So theta is 50. Okay. Then they said two things. Find the points where it meets x-axis. But to find the point where it meets x-axis,
X is
x comma 0, y के बटे 0. So minus 1 comma 0. चलो. चलो. Let us move ahead. Twentieth bit a very nice sum. Find the equation of median. Find the equation of median through A. Okay. Find the equation of median through A, D, B, and C. Where D is the midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC beta. So d के coordinates क्या हो गए 7 plus 1 upon 2, 8 minus 10 upon 2 बेटा. 4 comma minus 1 बेटा. Now you got A and D both. You got A and D. तो स्लोप कितना होगा बेटा y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 6 upon 1 minus 6 and equation of line would be so for median find midpoint पहले फिर A और D के coordinates लेके slope और equation of line ढूंढो. Pretty simple sum, straightforward.
So in this sum, we can first find the equation of line of BC and then say that slope of BC is equal to is perpendicular to slope of AD.
No beta, perpendicular no. Median does not mean perpendicular.
Okay.
Beta here for PQ beta. So first find slope कितना होगा बेटा tan of theta which is tan of 45 which is 1. ठीक है therefore equation of line PQ y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Okay बेटा. बेटा Q intersect y axis बेटा. Since line touches y axis at point Q. Therefore Q के coordinates are 0, y. Substitute 0, y in this equation बेटा. There's couple of sums beta, but they are important. That's why I'm doing it beta. So have patience for 3 more sums. All 3 sums are very interesting. So just have patience.
Sir, can you explain the sum again?
Yes beta. See, if you observe the angle of inclination, दिखे बेटा थीटा कितना है बेटा कितना दिख रहा है बेटा
60
थीटा
degree.
45 डिग्री ना
Sir,
बेटा
45 degree.
Okay, हाँ. So basically angle of inclination is 45 degrees. So when a slope मिल गया tan 45 which is 1. Also there is point P 5,3 passes through the line. ठीक है बेटा. So equation of line कैसे होगा y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So you got x1 y1, you got m, you got the equation. But this line touches y axis at what point? Q. तो Q के अगर coordinates ढूंढने हैं तो क्या होगा 0, y. Substitute x के बदले 0, y के बदले y. And you get a required answer.
Okay, sir, got it.
3 more sums बेटा. They have mentioned A, B, and C are collinears. बेटा collinear मतलब slope of AB equals to slope of BC. So slope of AB 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus A is equals to A minus 1 upon 5 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 upon 2 minus A is equals to A minus 1 upon 3. Cross multiply. Minus 6 is equals to A minus 1 into 2 minus A beta. Minus 6 is equals to 2A minus 2 plus A square plus A. Okay. So you get A square plus 3A plus 4 equal to 0. मैंने कुछ गलत किया है minus 2A minus 1 2A minus 2 so A square minus 3A minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so we got AK coordinates is when A is 4, 4 comma 3, B is 2 comma 1, and C is 5 comma 4. When A is minus 1, minus 1 comma 3. But you have to take into consideration both, huh? अभी इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ढूंढनी है तो स्लोप ढूंढ लो बेटा. चलो स्लोप ढूंढते हैं किसी का भी कोई भी एक लाइन ले लो सबका स्लोप सेम ही आएंगे. So 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus 4 minus 2 upon 2.
अरे सीरियसली आप वो हर करना होगा.
Guys, mute yourself, please. Please mute yourself. बेटा दोनों केसेस आपको लेने हैं टू सॉल्व इट. Minimum 4 marks it will be asked if it is asked. ठीक है बेटा. So basically here I found quadratic equation. Quadratic equation में दो values मिले. Okay, fine. I got two values तो मैंने दोनों equation लिया, दोनों cases लिया. When A is 4, when A is minus 1. हाँ, ये तीन में से कोई भी दो पॉइंट लेके आप स्लोप ढूंढो, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ढूंढो. बिकॉज दे आर कोलिनियर, स्ट्रेट लाइन पे है तो कोई भी दो पॉइंट ले लो, कोई भी दो पॉइंट. इन ईदर ऑफ द केसेस यू विल गेट सेम आंसर, बट यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर बोथ द वैल्यूज ऑफ इट. हाँ, हियर you have to get the answer for both the values of it. चल Let's go to 23. 23 and 24 दोनों को स्टार मार्क करके रखो. Last two sums but very important. 23. Line AB meet x-axis at A. Okay, x-axis for x comma 0. Y-axis at B 0 comma y. P divides AB. P is 4 comma minus 1. Okay. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. ठीक है. P 4 comma minus 1. A x comma 0. B 0 comma y. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So 4 equals to 1 into 0 plus 2 into x upon 3. 12 is equals to 2x, x equals to 6. Minus 1 is equals to y plus 0 upon 3. Y equals to minus 3. So A is 6 comma 0, B is 0 comma minus 3. Find the equation of line through P and perpendicular to AB. Okay. Perpendicular to AB बोला मतलब slope of AB ढूंढ लो. Passing through P perpendicular to AB बेटा. P क्यों नाम दे दो बेटा? तो slope of AB into slope of PQ is -1. चलो लास्ट सम. But as I said, find the equation of altitude through B. Only altitude बोला है बेटा. So altitude through B मतलब perpendicular through B बोला है. ओके. एल्टीट्यूड थ्रू बी बोला बेटा. ठीक है. तो पहले स्लोप ऑफ AC ढूंढते हैं. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Since AC perpendicular to BP, बराबर है बेटा. चलो इक्वेशन अप्लाई. Equation of altitude through B. B is minus 4 comma 9 and slope is minus 12 upon. Just go through this sum बेटा, याद रहेगा आपको altitude, ठीक है? There are many more sums, many more good sums to be done, ठीक है? बेटा LMR से एक बार go through करना, ये chapter we'll be discussing in our crash course session, but in this paper I try to cover at least you can say 90-95% of the questions, ठीक है? Please keep solving this paper. Okay, I'll post the solution soon. ठीक है? Thank you बेटा.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Take
Thank you,
care.
sir.
Bye.